Bonjour. Since we're talking about homes, I thought it would be fun to look at some homes in France that are actually for sale. So this is the website Bien Ici. I don't know if you guys can get on it on your school computer, but I mean, I think it's fun to kind of look around at what's for sale in the homes and see what they cost. So maybe this is something you can do to practice your French. So you can see right here, achat. Location, that's not the location, that's for rent. So if you want to rent something, achète, acheter, to buy. Neuf is new. And terrain, any guesses? Yeah, that's for land. Okay, so here you have ville, département, code postal. So you can decide what you want to put there. You can put Paris or whatever. You could put a max budget or not. And then right here, look, pièce et plus. So what is pièce? That's how many rooms. You're right. So you can decide what size of house you want to look for here. Okay, so let's look for a house. So I've typed in my husband's hometown, Montauban. I mean, you can put Paris or whatever you want. I kind of wanted to use a smaller town because in big cities, just like here, it's really hard to find a house. It's usually apartments. So I thought we would start with this, and then I'm just gonna voir les maisons, voir. Okay, and you can see there's lots of stuff for sale here. So let's try this one. Okay, so you can see right here, pause the video and see if you can tell what we know about this house. Okay, so this is quite a big house, yes. So hopefully you noticed that it's in meters square. Okay, so only the US, unlike one other country, uses square feet. So if you're looking for a home in any other country, it's going to be by meters square and not acres but hectares. You might have noticed une belle cuisine, une grande pièce, maybe lumineuse. Lumineuse is filled with light. 6 chambres avec un salle d'eau et WC. Okay, so this is a little different than salle de bain, but it's the same word. Okay. A room that we didn't talk about is the buanderie. That's the laundry room. Okay, et un garage. Oui. Et une piscine. Si tu veux nager. Okay, swimming pool. All right, so let's look at some of the pictures. Just for funsies here. Okay, c'est quelle salle ici? Quelle est la pièce? La cuisine. La cuisine. Il y a combien de chaises? Il y a 6 chaises dans la cuisine. Est-ce qu'il y a un lavabo? Non. Comment s'appelle sink in a kitchen? Un évier. Un évier. Alors, et let's see, qu'est-ce que c'est? Un four. Now, in this kitchen, I don't see le frigo, but it is probably hidden behind this cabinetry here. They do that a lot. Okay. Ça, c'est l'entrée. L'entrée, oui. Ah, qu'est-ce que c'est? La piscine. La piscine. All right. Qu'est-ce que c'est? La maison. La maison. Okay. And then if you want to know what the yard is, le jardin. Le jardin. Ah, c'est un bel jardin. Un beau jardin, pardon, c'est masculin. All right, c'est quelle pièce? Oui, le séjour ou le salon. Le séjour ou le salon. Excellent. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Le canapé. Et ça? Table basse. Et ici? Un fauteuil. Un fauteuil. Okay, so if it's a comfy chair, Instead of chaise, we say fauteuil, fauteuil. Okay, so it could be like this, or it could be like your dad's lazy boy. All right. Est-ce qu'il y a un télé? From what you can see right here. Je vois pas un télé. It might be on the wall behind us. We're not sure. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un stéréo. Un stéréo. Oui. All right. Et une plante. Oui. Alors, suivant. Ah, ça c'est un cheminée. Une cheminée. Et un autre fauteuil. What is this that we can see here? L'escalier. L'escalier. All right, suivant. All right. Quelle est la pièce? La chambre. La chambre à coucher. Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Le lit. Le lit. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Une fenêtre. Une fenêtre. Et ici? Les rideaux. Les rideaux. All right. What about this right here? What is this? It's a piece of furniture. Armoire. Et ici? Une commode. Une commode. If I'm going too fast, you can pause so you can do your guess. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un miroir. Un miroir. Et ici, sur le mur, des tableaux ou des photos. I'm not sure because I can't see them, but it could be tableau, could be a photo. All right. What do you think is beyond this door here? I mean, I don't know. Not my house, but we can guess. Could be la salle de bain. It could be le placard. Not sure because not my house. Qu'est-ce que c'est par terre? Le tapis. Le tapis. Excellent. Suivant. OK. On a encore, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont les fenêtres avec des rideaux. Oui, et ça c'est le lit, le tapis, le sol. These were ones we had from the classroom, you remember? What was ceiling? Plafond. Plafond. Et ici, un tableau. Et qu'est-ce que c'est? Une porte. Une porte. Et là, une commode. Et sur la commode, il y a les fleurs. Ouf. Il y a une autre chambre. Remember, this one's a big house. Pause the video and see if you can name the things. Okay, we have le lit, 3 fenêtres, des rideaux, un canapé ou un lit. Hard to tell. This looks like it could be a bed or a couch. I'm not sure. Et qu'est-ce que c'est? Une lampe. And if you had to guess what the lamp is standing on? Une table de nuit. Une table de nuit. Et sur le mur, on a un tableau. Oh, wow. This is kind of fun. All right, qu'est-ce que c'est? Un miroir. Ici, les étagères. Et là, un canapé. Et ça, une fauteuil. Et là, une chaise. And how do you say desk? Bureau. Bureau. All right. Okay, so we didn't have this word. This looks like a hallway to me, so you could say couloir, couloir, like in the school. Ah, wow. Wish mine was this big. This is a closet. How do you say closet? Placard. Le placard. All right. Et avec un miroir, oui. Et un banc. A bench, un banc. Okay. Une autre chambre. What is this called? Table de nuit. Table de nuit. Comment dit-on plante? Une plante, oui. Et qu'est-ce que c'est là? Placard. Placard. Just like in the kitchen. All right. Ooh, what room is this? Salle de bain. Salle de bain. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Une douche. Des miroirs et de lavabo. Lavabo. Et là, ça c'est une poubelle. Une poubelle. Et ici, des serviettes de bain. Serviettes de bain. Et what do you think this is? Probably soap. Soap is savon. Savon. If it's lotion, lotion. Lotion. All right. Et qu'est-ce que c'est? Comment dit-on flowers? Fleur. All right. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Escalier. Escalier. Almost told you shelf. Escalier. Et comment dit-on curtain? Des rideaux. And door? La porte. All right. Une autre chambre, qu'est-ce que c'est là? Une lampe. Oui. All right. So there we go. We went through a house. Let's look very quickly at an apartment. Okay, I've switched to Paris, and you can see very quickly there's a whole lot more stuff to look at in a very small space. So it's almost all red here. But here's an appartement, 3 pièces. We're not going to do the video visite because I think my computer will die. Pause and read this part. See what you can understand. Okay, quatrième étage. So what would that be in America? 5th floor. Yeah, because you don't count the rez-de-chaussée. Okay, and it's 65 meters square, 65 mètres carrés. I hope you saw confort moderne. Maybe you saw à 2 pas de métro. It's close to the metro. That's important if you live in a city. You probably saw the word atmosphere, cuisine, spacieuse. Okay, we'll see if this is spacious compared to the other one. I mean, not everybody's living like that other house. So here we go. Quelle est la pièce ici? C'est le séjour avec, qu'est-ce que c'est? Un canapé, une table basse. Ça, c'est une porte-fenêtre. Okay, so it's a large window, but you can step through it like a door. Porte-fenêtre. So if you ever go to New Orleans, they have these style of window doors that on the buildings, the older ones in the French Quarter. Et ça, une lampe. Et là, qu'est-ce que c'est? Une porte, des rideaux, un miroir. Okay, and we can see into what room? La chambre. All right, so compared to that other house, you can see this one is quite smaller. Voici la cuisine avec le four et le four micro-ondes. Oui. Ça, c'est l'extérieur. Ça, c'est le balcon. Not very much space. This is typical of the city. And then, yeah, a lot different. Et tu as encore la salle de bain. And they don't show us les toilettes. All right, I hope this was interesting for you. Check out the website if you want to see more. Au revoir. Post your questions for me.